right, we're going to get started in a few minutes. Wait for some people to get on. Okay, we are going to go ahead and get started. Okay, well, hello, good afternoon. My name is Gracie Pitts, and if you are new to my channel, I love everything health, wellness, fitness, and just trying to find that good balance of being the healthiest and best versions of ourselves while also balancing a busy social life or even balancing your work with trying to be the best version of yourself. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, I am so glad that you are back. Welcome back. But we have some fun things to talk about today. First off, excuse my appearance. I today teach 2 spin classes today. And sadly, today is my last day to teach at 3:15 here in Tuscaloosa, which is really bittersweet. So first class today was a team teach with my friend Kylie. It was just for seniors, and then later today I teach at 4. So there's really no use in me trying to look better if I'm just gonna keep sweating around 4 p.m. But I have the perfect product that I want to show you guys and that I seriously live by. And health and wellness, are 2 of my biggest things. So as you can see, my hair has been in a very messy and sweaty bun since 11 a.m. It is now 2:50. So we're gonna go ahead, try and take her out nice and neatly without getting any knots. Look at that hair, y'all. So much. Curls, sweat, grease, everywhere. All right, so now that she is good and crazy, we are going to take, y'all, look at this. I'm about to show y'all the best product to exist, and it saves my life every single day. All right, so we're going to brush her out the best that we can. A little bit naughty. Grease, sweat, knots everywhere. But I know not everybody is like this, but I'm just going to tell a little story while we try to tame the lion's nest. For me personally, I don't wash my hair every day. Maybe because I'm lazy. Yeah, that's probably it. But it's mainly because it's really not good for your hair if you wash it every single day. It doesn't let the natural chemicals of your hair to keep your hair, organic and fresh and healthy and shiny. So I try to steer clear from washing my hair every day. But that's just me. So that's why this product is about to come to play. All right, we are all brushed out. And now I'm going to have to part my hair down the middle. For some reason, my hair does not like when I try to part her down the middle. But we're going to try our best. But y'all are probably wondering by now, what product is Gracie talking about? Let me get my phone out so I can better part my hair. But y'all are probably like, what? She has been dragging us along for 5 minutes now. What could she be talking about? And boy, do I have something to show y'all. All right, now that we are all good and brushed out, drum roll please, it's time for Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. Now, I know some of y'all are going to be like, no, like this dry shampoo product is better, this one is better, but I'm about to tell y'all why. And on here it says, skip the wash, enjoy the refresh. No white residue, soft and refreshed hair without the buildup. So we're going to show you how to use it. So first things first, of course you got to shake it up. You got to shake up all the good ingredients. Natural barley and rice starches. Shake it up good and well. Once you're there, I like to start, hold it about this far away. I like to start and just spraying on top of my hair. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but she is greasy and flat. But in about 3 minutes, she's about to be voluminous and fresh. All right, so get my phone one more time. We're going to take it. I like to go on the top first, right there in the part. Go all around the top of your head. Let that sit there for a second. Okay, once you're there, we're going to start going into sections. I like to take my first piece of hair, face framer for my face, lift it up, and the key to using this is spraying it on your roots. That is where the greasiness, that is where the greasiness comes from. So you need to take it out, take a section, part of your hair, lift it up so you can get the volume. Once you're there, spray away. Okay, still no white residue like the bottle promises. All right, we're going to take our next piece. And immediately my hair is already looking so much better from coming out from that greasy and sweaty bun from this morning. All right, we're going to go second section directly behind the face framer. Spray on the root. Lower down. Don't brush it out yet. Take these two. And usually I can do this in like 5 minutes. Probably less than that. It really doesn't take that long to get that fresh, clean look that you want in your hair. I'm just trying to show y'all step by step. I could probably do that into 2 sections, but we're just going to work with what we got. All right, spray that one. So on and so forth. Right there in the roots. All right, and then we'll do the other side super quick. But I'm telling y'all, I have tried so many different dry shampoo products. And this one has by far been my favorite. I have tried Living shampoo. You know that gray bottle that just like looks bougie and you want to buy it because it just like looks bougie? I'm the same way. I always tend to, not always, but if I think a product just like aesthetically looks better, I will probably grab it. That's what I did with the Living shampoo. If y'all have ever seen that at Publix, it's gray. Pretty small, but not as good as this. And it's way more expensive. This works better. It's a huge bottle. It lasts me like, I got this probably like 3 weeks ago. And she is still kicking and still helping me out with all of my needs. Because a girl is lazy. And a girl does not like washing her hair. And I probably should wash it more because I work out a lot and teach spin and sweat. But to you girlies who are thinking about maybe not washing their hair every day and want to start getting in that process of training your hair, y'all know who to call. And also on the bottle it says animal cruelty free. So that means that they don't test this product on animals, which is amazing because I don't know if some of y'all know about animal testing. But a lot of products do that to animals, and it's not good for animals. But okay, so we're gonna let that sit for a second. The key is to let it just sit there and cook. Let it get into the roots. You can see my hair is already like transforming and looking so much better. and the ends look a little natty, but that was just because of my bud. There's another product that I used to get. Let me see what was that product? It's a product that probably everyone has gotten before, and it is not good at all. Right here. I don't know if you can see that. Batiste. Do not get it. Do not get Batiste. It's always the first one that I see in sections when I go shopping. I'm just gonna do one more big spray. All right, so now that is done, we're gonna let that sit, and I'm just going to talk a little bit more. But it is always one of those products that when I go into a grocery store, I'm like, ooh, like I always see that brand. So I was like, one time I'm just gonna try it. I'm just gonna see how it is. It didn't last me long at all. It made my hair chalky. Like when you spray, it's just white chalk all in your hair. Not worth it. So I've tried Batiste. I've tried Living Shampoo, the gray bottle, and this was my third test and run. Was the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. All right, so now that we've let it sit for a little bit, we're going to gently, keyword gently, take it and start rubbing from the top just a little bit. Let it get all in there. Gently massaging your scalp, rubbing it into the roots. All right, and then once we're done with the top, we're going to go in under and gently massage the pieces that we did on the sides of our face. Going from front to back. Look at her. She's still a rat's nest, but she's not sweaty and greasy anymore. That is just how we roll over here. But for my viewers watching, go ahead and just tell me your favorite dry shampoo product if you've ever used one. Or let me know how often you wash your hair. So maybe I could get better at washing my hair more often. I mean, like, and especially with this product, y'all, I haven't washed my hair like genuinely, like I'm being so genuine and honest. I haven't washed my hair in 4 days. 4 days. That is right. All right, once that is all good and rubbed in, we take the hairbrush and gently brush. Y'all, look at that. So much better. So much better. And now I teach at 4. It is 3 p.m. Now my hair is going to look not as greasy. Maybe rat's nest, but nowhere near as greasy and sweaty as she was. And then once I've influenced y'all to get this, I want y'all to go get the product and then show me your before and after. I love a before and after. All right. Y'all. Still rat's nest. She's still puffy at the bottom. But look how much like fluffier, more voluminous. My hair is not sticking to my face anymore because of how greasy and flat it was. I mean, so much fresher. So, I'm going to end this live stream, show y'all the product one more time. No white residue, recyclable can, natural barley and rice starches. Make sure you shake it up to get all of the ingredients good and mixed in together, and then go ahead and then once you are dry shampooing your hair, you're going to go in and part it. Make sure you part it how it is. I like middle, but you can do side, wherever your part falls. Make sure you part it that way, and then go in and do sections from front to back, starting with the face framer, going on the top and then gently massaging it in. Promise y'all. Let me know what y'all think when y'all get it. I live or die by this because I work out and I sweat a lot. And this just transformed my hair from greasy and flat to fluffy and shiny. All right. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you all so much for hopping on my live stream. And if you enjoyed this product and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And I will link the product from the website into the chat if you cannot physically go to a store. But don't forget, like and subscribe, comment, engage with me. I'll engage back with y'all. Yeah, thank you all again for taking your time to